Alright, everybody, welcome back to Aloft. Alrighty. So, I went ahead and shifted my critters around, and I currently have them right here. And they do occasionally set down feathers. Where is it? Yeah, feathers. And occasionally on top of those feathers, an egg will appear. So, if I can get more of these fellows, I'm gonna get as many as I can and let them lay as many feathers around as I can, and I'll let them get eggs out. I did get two gorgeous looking ones. This one right here and this one right here. Samantha and Tango? I think that's how you pronounce that. Then I got Tucker and Elena. Fantastic names for birds. Alright, so next, got this big old island to check out. I did drop me down and move over because this island was in an awkward spot. Oop. Okay, yeah, that's close enough. So let's see what this island's got for me. Ooh, that's another good looking one. Ooh, and I don't need to leave any behind. There's a scrawny looking thing. That must be the baby. Let's feed you up. Send you home. Let's see if we can find some more. Waterfall. I made that jump. This guy's got hops. Feel like there's something up there. Alright, I was wrong. There's nothing up there. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. As soon as I find these birds, we're moving on. These things are extremely hard to find. Oh, hello, little guy. Now there should be only one more, and it's a big one. Ooh, coffee. Still no coffee seeds. Come on, big guy, show yourself. What are these? Oh, just sugar beets. Come on, I know you're around here somewhere. There you are. Almost walked right past you. That's 3 more, you lot. Don't forget to pick up the feathers. That's it. Let's go to the next aisle. Still didn't see any signs of a treasure chest. Of course, I'm not doing a mega thorough inspection for one, but I haven't been exactly giving you all full proper me not digging around everywhere type spiel. Keep getting distracted. Digging where I shouldn't be bothering on camera. Alright, so the next aisle is pretty much directly below. So, down we go. I do think this might be the lowest I've been. Are you going to give us some critters? Okay, stop. There we go. Right? Okay. See what you're going to give me. Ooh, you got 4. Oh, yes. How many do you need? 1. Excellent. If I see a blue butterfly, I think I might snag it. Oh. Nice. Can I, how do I make... I need to make a apiary. I need to figure out how to make an apiary. Okay, I can't make a beehive like that. Okay, so these birds. There's 4 of them. There's number 1. Oh. Gotta remember to leave 1. I'm gonna try setting up a... Ooh, hello. Setting up some bees right next to trees and see if that does it. Because if I can get the bees to make the honey on my trees, then I might be able to just get honey that way. Hello, you. Ooh, hello. Oh, I keep forgetting about these flowers that only bloom during the night. Oop, and I scared away the fly. Oh, there's more to this island than I thought. How do... You grew funny. They really should make it, you make it so you can, trying to word this real good. plant these and harvest them. Get seeds from them. This island's got a lot of seeds. Or flowers. What's in here? Oh, that is excellent though. Being able to harvest something like that in an instant. Let's torch it up. We really need a head torch. Let's do a slow flyover and see if we can spot any kind of X's around. Okay, I saw a circle of big rocks, figured might as well try. Crazy guy on an island. Obviously he's gonna bury something behind his house. Nope. Maybe it's inside the in here somewhere. Okay, maybe this island doesn't have anything. It's highly disappointing. Alright, so that should be the last one in this cluster. It looks like it. So the next cluster I'm heading to is right there, which is that direction, pretty much right behind me. can't exactly go up. So I think I'm going to try... Nope, 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 nope. Oof. That doesn't look good. I think I still got them all. Are they still in their pens? No, not all of them. Okay, I'm going to, well, for one, trim down trees. For two, get all these guys moved back up to their pens. Not sure how you lot got out. Except for that swing. There's my second egg. Thank you very much. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to call here. I'm gonna clean up the fact that I just swung my house through the side of a island. They really need to fix that clipping. Or give us reverse. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And tell me what you think of this series so far. And if you guys don't mind, subscribe down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!